Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to activate your SamCart Creator Earnings profile so you can sell smarter and earn faster. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your SamCart account. Begin by visiting the SamCart website and logging into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Access the Creator Earnings section. In the Account Settings menu, find the tab labeled Creator Earnings. This is where you will manage your earnings profile settings. Click on this tab to proceed. Step 4. Complete your profile information. Now it's time to enter your profile information. Fill out all the required fields, including your name, business information, and contact details. Make sure the information is accurate as it will be used for your transactions. Step 5. Set your payment method. Next, you'll need to select your preferred payment method. SamCart offers various options, so choose the one that works best for you. Whether it's a bank transfer, PayPal, or another method, make sure to enter the necessary details to set it up. Step 6. Review and accept terms. Before finalizing, review SamCart's terms and conditions related to the Creator Earnings profile. It's crucial to understand the agreements you're entering into, so take a moment to read through them. Once you're comfortable, check the acceptance box. Step 7. Save your changes. After filling out all necessary information and accepting the terms, look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your profile. Step 8. Confirm activation. To ensure your Creator Earnings profile is activated, navigate back to the Creator Earnings section. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your profile is now active. By following these steps, you can successfully activate your SamCart Creator Earnings profile. This will help you streamline your selling process and maximize your earnings potential. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.